Well, good morning, everyone. So, we're going to go ahead and start this bedtime tarot. That's what we're going to call it, bedtime tarot. We're going to start with the goddess journey. See what she has to say. So, let's see. Goddess journey, you up? You up? What you got for us? What's going to be the vibe today? What you got for? I got the star. Okay. Is there anything else? We got the lovers. Okay. Is that all? Can I get a yes, no, or maybe? Oh. Yes, that is all. Okay. So with the star, I want to say maybe someone's healing from a relationship or it could be hope in a partnership. Someone could someone could be on their self-love journey. And someone can be it's like believing in themselves to make better choices. That could be in regards to any ship, okay? But someone's definitely the star. That's amazing. That's amazing. We'll start with the Kip. Let's start with the Kip. We got thoughts. We got child. We got thief. Then we got main female. Someone's in their thoughts about a child. I want to say this main female is in her thoughts. Did she steal a child, or was she could have been childish about trying to steal something? Toil and labor. We got sudden wealth. And then we got gift. Okay, so this main female was trying to steal this gift from this child. This man could be trying to avoid working. This gift is sudden wealth. So yeah, somebody was in their thoughts about stealing from a child. How this ties into, well, she may be thinking about making better choices. Bottom of the deck is concerns. Maybe this didn't go too well. Now she's thinking about making better choices. Alright, what is this thoughts about? Oh, so someone is heavenly burdened. These are channel messages. We got child. We got YZ. Initials YZ. That might be significant. What is this thief? No. She has a positive future. Is that why they were trying to attack her? Okay. Toilet labor, what is that? A, B, C, and D. Whoever they are. Or you, that could be you. And then sudden wealth, what is that? It says someone knows what the tea is about. And then gift, we got gang stalking. Okay, so the players that we got this main female, we got this child, and we got a thief. I feel like I'm playing Guess Who. So that someone is being gang stalked. It looks like in regards to this sudden wealth. Okay, so if you look though, you see the gift. It looks like it's being passed down, right? So this child may be innocent as ever, right? This child may have been like passed down something. This be a situation of like something passed down through family. That somebody tried to snatch that. Bottom of the devil. Kind of like, let me get away. I don't want to say that. Because this child is burdened. It has a positive future. And someone knows. Someone knows about this kid. It could be this main female. Yeah, the main female is someone that's in a relationship. So whomever is in a relationship, this may be the gang stalker, or she may have riled up some people to help her. We got toil and labor here, so some people at work is in her thoughts about who's doing this to her, or it could be him or whomever, or why. But I don't think. With the evil eye turned blind, it's kind of like, yeah, she's burdened, but then it's like, with this thief and this main female, this main female could be reassuring her that she has a positive future. So she's like, it can be the main female. I just know it's not her. But it might be. Okay, so what is this? Someone is heavenly burdened. We got the Five of Pentacles. Someone could be losing money. Someone's losing money. What's this Y and Z? Two, four, six, seven. 7 wands. Someone's like defensive. Then I got something that turned over in my hand. We got 3, 6, 8. Ten of Pentacles. Someone's defensive about their money or their happiness or their lifestyle. We got the Knight of Swords. I'm coming in hot. Every time I see this. What do you want? Someone's coming in to tell some truth. They're coming in for something. They're coming fast. Then we got the Four of Pentacles. Someone's foundation is falling apart. So someone's losing money. And they're becoming very defensive. It could be towards their family. Is this why they're trying to steal this little girl's money? Or this child's money? Or they probably... Oh, crazy that I was about to go to my story, and then my phone all of a sudden said it was running hot. So, but anyway, so I asked what this gang stalking was. I don't know what gang stalking is. So someone's working together to keep someone in some type of mindset or feeling victimized. So, of course, what the fuck is that about, right? So we got Ace of Wands. What is it about a passionate new beginning? Then the Empress, you're here. Yeah, Nine of Swords. Page of Cups. In reverse. And then the Wheel of Fortune, the wheel is turning. But if somebody wanted to keep somebody thinking that, like, pretty much no one was gonna ever offer them a cup. Well, why would the fuck would, like, because we got I don't think I showed you guys. We had the Three of Pentacles, or the Four of Pentacles in reverse. Do you see her? Okay, so yeah, somebody stole this kid's money. Somebody stole this kid's money, and now the well has run dry. It could be the person's kid's money that is now trying to come in and tell the truth. And they're the ones expecting forgiveness. But I don't think so. I think, or they know they're not going to get it after now the shit is too far gone. Look at what they're doing. You stole this baby's money, then you went out of your way to gather some troops to gang stalk this individual. Did you try to get this person locked up? Well, did they try to get you locked up? That could be enough. Did you try to get this person locked up? Well, did they try to get you locked up? That could be enough. Or it could be simply they wanted you to feel alone. This shit is too far gone. There is no forgiveness. I wouldn't forgive a motherfucker. I don't give a fuck who you are. And I'm just looking at the bottom of the deck. We have the three, exactly. How many is this? This in reverse. Like, had you thinking your ships were never gonna, nothing good was coming towards you. Here's your tower again. Here's your King of Cups. There's that apology, or someone was gonna. Don't anybody gonna feel bad for you about you doing this shit. When you was with somebody's feelings. Like, your shit was okay. But you was fucking with somebody else's water. No. For your own gain. Oh, but there's your counterpart. There's the Queen of Cups there, right there. You were fine. I said there's the main female in the relationship. There you are. There's the Queen of Cups there, right there. You were fine. I said there's the main female in the relationship. There you are. That's fucked up, bro. I guess. That is fucked up. I really want to get another deck. I swear I do. But we're going to leave it right there for this morning, tonight. Same shit. It's still yesterday for me. Well, I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Make sure you have a productive day. Get some shit done that needs to get done. Oh. Don't let this fuck with you. You're alright. And if this is you doing this to somebody else, then you're person. And that's it. But somebody's gonna get their justice. Don't worry about it. Like, somebody know what's up. We already got the card. Somebody knows what's up. Somebody know what's up. Bitch. We won't get mad for this person. Alright, well, have a good day, y'all.